Hello! Are you ready to see another 10 of the coolest toys and gadgets for men that you should have? Today we've got this amazing garden pruner, this magnetic wristband, and this measuring tool. Watch till the end because we've got more. Don't forget to subscribe and comment "I subscribe" to be in the next video. Let's get started. This is the KNIPEX PreciStrip16, and this is an automatic insulation stripper. It is simple and precise, stripping the fine wires and the solid round cables. It has a range from 0.08mm to 16mm squared with only one pair of pliers. Furthermore is the semicircular grooved metal holding clamps. You can adjust for special insulation materials and variable temperatures because many will fail this test. It's perfect for hot or cold days. All cables can be stripped flexibility or at a consistent level. Just insert the cable up to the adjustable length stop and the robust holding clamps grip the cable securely. Perfect for everyone. 18 tools in one gadget. This is everything you need. Save money and time with the Caliber X gadget. You can wrench and adjust up to 20mm. In emergencies, you'll have a serrated knife. With a dimension of 3 inches, the screwdriver works with any standard bit and the bit holders as well. The gadget has a bottle opener too, and a lot more tools. We can make a whole video with this tool. With this one tool, you can replace your whole box. I have to mention that this tool is very light. You may forget that you're carrying it in your pocket. A cool one. This gadget will give you the ability to fully customize your storage. You can stack toolboxes, organizers, totes, and bags. This is made of impact-resistant polymers and metal reinforced corners. If you already have a PACKOUT system, you can connect it with your new one via integrated locking cleats. The IP65 rated weather seal protects your tools and accessories from bad weather. You can organize your tools as you want, and the best part is that you can transport the box easily. The QUADSAW will help you drill the perfect hole in under 5 seconds, and once you have finished drilling the hole, there is no filling required, so you won't lose time filling again. You won't have to trace around the box anymore. The tool drills from a center point, mark the center, and drill. After drilling, you need to cut the dust. Now everything is easier. The tool comes with a dust extractor, which will save you time. QUADSAW goes 1 inch thick through a wall. The gadget will cut perfectly square or rectangle holes, and the best part is it is much faster than an average one. Now let's look at this trimmer. This one is made by the company WORX and comes with 3-in-1 technology and will let you easily transition from trimming to inline wheeled edging to mini mowing. With the command feed technology, you can extend a fresh line with the push of a button. It comes with 6 head positions and 7 locking handle positions. It's very adjustable. This is the ultimate aid for installing drawer slides of almost any type. This is Drawer Slide Jig by Rockler. It includes a ball bearing or epoxy coated side mount. The tool is safe and has no risk of slippage. The jig has a locking wedge that holds the slide. You need to press against the face of your cabinet so your slide will be positioned perfectly. It also features an adjustable rod that references off the face frame rails or cabinet bottom for fast, repeatable height settings. It has an overall height of 6 inches. Now we've got this starter kit. It can repair almost everything and is easy to operate, so you don't have to be a pro. The tool has an easy press button, and when the liquid is exposed to the light, it cures to a permanent bond in seconds. The BONDIC is 100% waterproof and it's non-toxic. Use the gadget on plastic, wood, metal, PVC, steel, rubber, and to make it shorter, you can use it on almost anything. Cool. When you get it, you'll have everything you need, so you don't have to buy more than what you need. This one looks satisfying. This is the Origin and works with unparalleled accuracy, flexibility, and efficiency. It has what you need. It can cut tenons at any angle from 0 to 45 degrees, and it has a virtually eliminate tear out. You can adjust easily to make things perfect. Now you can work from anywhere, at home, in the workshop, it doesn't matter. All you need is space and your materials. Just apply the shaper tape. The shaper tape helps you scan the work area so the gadget can detect automatically and stores your workspace. You don't have to be a programmer to add design. It has a design tab where you can add your designs easily, and now you're ready to work. A measuring tool plays a big role in a man's life. This one comes with the leading edge floor plan measuring function, so the gadget will adapt to any measuring need of everyone. So the gadget can work for you. What's more, you can use the gadget for laser measuring. Use it as a scale, rolling ruler, level, angle measure, and space measure. This is truly an all-in-one measuring tool. Now we've got something really helpful. This magnetic wristband will save you a lot of time. It comes with 10 strong magnets embedded in each wristband, so you will be able to hold screws, nails, bolts, washers, drill bits. It's perfect for home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, sewing. You can adjust the fit so the wristband can fit everyone. You could say you've got 3 hands when you need it most. The STIHL GTA26 battery-powered garden pruner is the first type of this tool on the US market. The tool is lightweight and has a compact design. The rubber grips make it easy to use and minimizes wrist torsion. It comes with the battery, charger, multi-oil, and transport bag. It also comes with everything that you need. The magnetic manhole lifter is the perfect tool for quick and safe removal and replacement of manhole covers you can do by yourself. You can carry it with you everywhere because it's collapsible, so you can put it, for example, in your car. It eliminates the use of pry bars. For safety purposes, the magnet must be in contact with the manhole cover to be engaged. Moves manhole covers up to 36 inches in diameter, offered with the steel or aluminum dolly. That's it for today, guys. Which gadgets do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch the whole playlist with the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.